Good evening, folks. Thank you for tuning in to Slots and Stocks. If you wouldn't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. So I posted my first video last night over AMC, my evaluation of this stock. It basically was forewarning everyone to do not invest in this at this time. On a good day, like I said, it is valued at $7.50. That is when the economy is good. Since then, of course, you have to tune into my last video to see my forewarning. I don't want to spend too much time in this, but a day after my post, as you can see, it has dropped another $5.48. I did receive 14 thumbs down, which is fine. I imagine these are people that were truly invested in AMC and probably riding on the hopes and dreams, probably in at $15. And I hate to see that. So anyways, that is at 782 now, with a 41% drop. As I promised during my first video that I posted last night, and those who didn't watch it, you wouldn't mind going back and going into my channel and find that one, as it was end up being very informative and very accurate on AMC. But I did say that I was going to let it be known what I'm currently invested in. This gives you a quick rundown here. I am invested in a small company called HIL is the symbol, which is HIL International Common Stock. They serve basically as a source for overseers in the energy market. If you want to call it like rent-a-foreman. I was actually into this stock at $233. And I actually been in with it now a little longer than expected. I consider myself a swing trader. I like to ideally hold a stock for 2 days and sell it. But unfortunately, once I purchased this at $233, it's dropped as low as $215. But today was a good day. Well, I'm all the way back up to $231, and at one time it was at $237. I do have a limit sale on these automatically. Once the stock reached $247, I am going to cash it in. Just off the top of my head, probably makes me $300 or $400, and that'll be my swing trade. Ideally, my personal goal is 5% a week in upsell transactions. Anyway, back to my companies I'm invested in. The other one is CIG, which is anyways, it is a Brazilian South American utility company. I'm actually into this company at $273, and likewise, as did what HIL done to me, it has actually dropped from $273 at my purchase price all the way down as low as $249, and I have an automatic limit sale at once it touches $293. All right, let me show you why I invested in HIL first and foremost. Let's bring this chart up here. So I'll definitely look at trends. I like to see where it was at before the pandemic and then after the pandemic. So this is a 6-month chart. As you see, it has been steadily going. It's heading in the right direction for sure. The lows are higher lows, the highs are higher highs. So I like this trend. As like I said, I'm in at 233, which I think I bought into it. It was mid-December. I've had it for a couple weeks. But anyway, so this trend was very attractive to me, and it had great fundamentals. I advise checking in the fundamentals of your companies. And then I'll show you why I invested into CIG. Well, I had a good day today, as you can see. it was actually, as you know, I finished the day up $229.20. At one point, the 74.64 was as high as 7,600. I was at 7,000 Monday. I had 2 good days in a row, but it has not reached my limit for me to sell. Anyway, let me show you CIG and what's interesting me about CIG and why I invested in them. Of course, I'm a charts and trends guy. I do love my charts, and then I look at the charts, and then I go to the fundamentals. So this is a 6-month chart here. As you see, again, there's been a steady increase, this upward trend ever since November, and this is what got my attention. If I look at the 1-year chart, it's basically been a steady, slowly incline this whole time. I do remember watching CIG when it was as low as $1.40 a share. I didn't invest in it at the time, but it's continuously in an upwards trend. So this is why I'm invested in this. And again, I'm swing trading this. Like I said, I'm in at 273, got in about a week ago, and I've actually swung traded this stock 3 or 4 times, made several $100s on it. So I love it's definitely an up and down type of stock. And look at this for tomorrow, this BA, 7,000 over 1,000, which is a good sign. So this could be a really good day tomorrow. Like I said, I've got an automatic sale of 293. If this touches 293 tomorrow, it'll automatically sell. And then I will do what I really love to do is looking for my next investment. So guys, you know, a little bit of information, and if y'all did watch my video yesterday, you will have known that I said that I would let y'all know what I'm invested in. And again, for my credibility, if you did watch my video from yesterday, you will see what I forecasted for AMC about the true value. And again, I'm not circling back into AMC. It is doing exactly as expected and anticipated by me. So anyway, if y'all like this video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up and subscribe button, I would appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.